Okay, we will be waiting for 2 more minutes. Let me know if my voice and image is clear. Okay, great. Thank you. My audio and video is clear to everyone? Okay, great, great, great. Okay. Then let's wait for 3 more minutes and then we'll start. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, people are joining. Meanwhile, let me present my screen to you guys. Just let me know if you can see my screen. Hope my screen is visible to everyone. Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, great. Okay, fine. Okay. So yeah, we have waited for good 3-4 minutes. Let's start. Okay. Wait. All right. Okay, everyone. So my name is Neha Jaiswal from STEM Robo Technologies, and I'm welcoming you all, educators, for joining today. And as we previously had a chat about it, the few of you educators asked me to introduce Microbit and tell about the Microbit because our previous session was showing all the projects related to STEM, and it was quite a good webinar, right? So yeah, so today we are going to start with Microbit. Before that, I have a very quick question because whenever we talk about microcontrollers, this question comes in everybody's mind that have you ever thought like the coding or electronic might be too difficult for anyone, for the students or educators? Again, I'm repeating my question. Have you ever given a thought about it that coding or electronics is quite difficult for young students or for the educators? Okay, Abhijit ji, yes. A few educators asked me to arrange microbit. So yeah, today I am. And might be there will be part 2 as well. I'll look into it, okay? Because it's quite a huge topic, okay? Okay. Yes, again, my question is, that we educators, have we given a thought about it that coding or electronics might be too difficult for the young students, or what you guys are doing for it? I don't think so. Okay, all right. Nowadays, see, if we'll talk about like an year ago or 2 or 3 years ago, it was actually because very few things were in the market, and few things actually it was in the market, but it was never explored, right? I think you agree to this. So it was not that much available to explore to the students, but now it is. Like, and one of the part which we are going to cover today, that is Microbit. Okay. If anybody is thinking that this coding kind of thing might be the electronic part is easy, and yes, earlier it was Ashutoshji, yes, but now it is quite easy because there are some very systematic softwares are there. It is open source as well. So students or educators, anybody can explore it, right? Yep. So in this session, we are going to explore how a tiny device, I'll show you with the activity only, okay? How a tiny device called Microbit is going to help teachers or educators or students, anybody, to introduce coding, innovation, or any kind of problem solving or STEM related learning simple principles, right? With fun activities and hands-on practices, right? So today's student, as we discussed it many times, that today's students are growing in the world of technology, AI, automation, and innovation, right? So as an educator, our role is not only to teach the subject, but also to help the students to develop the skills, right, which they need in future, such as there are multiple 21st century skills, right? Creative thinking, problem solving, computational thinking, collaboration, the very important thing, innovation mindset, right? Keeping a mindset and keeping an urge of learning these things, right? So coding and electronics comes hand in hand whenever we talk about anything about automation, right? So the best part is that if somebody hasn't explored it yet, so we are going to start our journey today, and by the end of this webinar, at least you will learn few points like what is Microbit, why it is becoming popular nowadays, right? How to teach simple coding by just using the drag and drop programming. I think multiple of you already work on app development and Scratch, so you know the drill of dragging and dropping programming, right? It's quite an easy thing, which is known as block programming, block based programming as well. So it is going to be very exciting classroom activities. I'll try to cover at least 5 to 6 activities, small activities. Okay. And how it is going to integrate with science, mathematics, engineering, and art, and how Microbit is actually getting aligned with NEP as well. Okay. So these are few things which you are definitely going to learn, take away from this webinar. Okay. Before starting anything, I'm going to show you something so that you can just get an idea that exactly what we are going to do today. Before moving towards the second slide, I'm going to share my screen. This is one of our platform, that is AI Connect. Today, I'm going to show you, just a second, let me pin my other screen so that you guys can see. Okay, just let me know that I'm just turning off my camera. Okay. And let me know if you can see my screen. Fine. Can you see the screen? On the screen, I am in the camera and there is one coding and everything is done. Okay, all right, I got the thumbs up. Okay, so this is here. I'm going to do some live streaming. Okay, my hand gestures will be, this is forward, this is backward, and this is stop. Okay, I'm going to just let me know if you can, if you guys can see the mobile I have connected. Just let me check on it. Okay. Yes, Nidhi ji, you will get the certificate as well. Okay. Why I'm not able to pin it? Just a second. I'm just opening the camera. Okay. So one screen I'm sharing and one I have made a spotlight. Can you see it? Screen is lagging too much. Okay. Is it fine now? Can you see the gadget which I'm trying to show you? Okay, great. I got the thumbs up. I'm just setting the camera. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, so this is, you can see here, this is my hand here. This is one of the activity I'm going to show you. I have used two servo motors here and a microbit here, and this will get connected by Bluetooth. Okay. Do not worry. I'll just on AI Connect, you will be able to see. Don't worry. If my camera or anything is lagging, just let me know so that I will show the whole thing from my mobile only. Fine. Because I knew that this problem might be having. Okay. It's lagging on the AI Connect part or it is lagging from the mobile part? Can you please tell me so that I can get a clear picture about it? If my screen is lagging, that is fine. From where I have to show my hands, right? AI Connect is lagging, that is fine. That is fine. That is fine. That is fine. If the mobile phone is lagging, then please check your connection because it is working fine at my end. Okay. All right. Okay. If anything is okay. All right. Great. Okay. So just let me know that whether it is working or not. If it is not working, then I'll leave this page and I'll go with my mobile phone so that I can show you both. Okay. So let me start the part. So this is the activity. First, what I'll do is I'll go back to AI Connect. Okay. And I'll go back here. First, I'm going to connect the microbit. As you can see my screen here, it will ask to pair it, right? So this is, I'm starting the device, as you can see in my mobile phone, right? Okay. So on my screen also, is it visible to everyone? My screen, on my screen, it is asking me to pair it. Just yes, no, thumbs up will work for me. Okay, great, 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 great. Okay. All right. Okay, thank you. Okay, so it is asking me to try again because I didn't turned on the device. Now I'm going to pair it. And if you'll see, once I will pair it, it will start working. So I have to quickly give the instruction to it. Okay, so I'm just being prepared with the stop button over here. And there you go. Just a second, otherwise it will go. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute, please. Okay. Okay, let me put it down first. Okay, this is forward. Why it is going so far? Okay, it's now working. It's properly connected. Go there, please. Okay, come forward. It's not coming forward. Yeah, come forward. It's going back only just a second. There is a glitch. Let me check it first. Okay, it's working. Stop. Let me show you here only. Okay, there you can see this is a stop. This is forward. Again stop. And this is backward. Fine. Again, I'm stopping it. There you are. Come forward. Forward. Okay. Going back. Stopping. Right? It's working on real time. Fine. Okay, let me stop this. And let me show you from here. All right. Go forward. Stop. And backward. Stop. Forward. Stop. Backward. See? Working, right? And so on. I'm just switching off the device. There you are. Okay. It will ask me to reconnect. I'll just go back to the screen. Okay, can you please tell us first how to connect with PC? Yes, everything I will tell you, but not in today's. I'm just showing you what good things you can do from here. Okay, just let me go back to the PPT first. Just allow me 1 minute. 1 minute just. Okay, can you see me? Okay. Yes. So this was, I was showing Microbit on working on AI and ML, the machine learning concept. Okay. So obviously, first we will try and learn walking rather than running. I was just showing you this activity that what maximum you can do. This I showed you with the image process. You can use sound also. You can use pose detection as well. This might be, I will tell you in the next webinar, because today it is really important to understand the basics of it. Okay. Is my camera or anything is lagging? Please confirm, everyone. Is it fine now? Otherwise, I'll rejoin. Okay, great. Okay, thank you. Thank you for confirming. Okay, all right. Okay, thank you. Yes. So I was saying that first, I'll be first going to the basics. Okay. I'm again going to share my screen. Don't worry. I will tell you each and everything step by step, but not today, because today we are already going to, cover many of the activities, and that I will show you live only. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Let me share my screen so that we can go back to our PPT. Let me know if you can see my screen. If not visible, then also please let me know. Is it visible, guys? Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. All right. So first of all, the activity which I showed you, did you saw the microbit over there? Because the whole soul was microbit only. Rest other things was just servo motor and some Legos, right? So I just want a quick question that did you understand that what microbit is doing here? Okay, it is a controller. Correct. Right. It's just taking the, if we'll simplify it, it's just taking the instruction and it is working, right? Accordingly, it is giving the output. Fine. Okay. Controlling the movement. Exactly. It is controlling the movement. It's working like a brain. Absolutely correct. Yes. Okay. So we will start with the basics. And I just want to see some hands up if you already know about Microbit and you have worked on Microbit. So hands up or thumbs up. Good evening, Shaluji. Okay, Aviralji, you already know about it. Okay. Great. Many of you already know about it. Very nice. Very nice. Great to know. Okay. All right. Okay. So what is microbit? Microbit, just to understand microbit, it is actually a small programmable computer designed especially for learning coding. It has been created in such a manner so that it is very easy to use for anyone, whether it is an educator or for students, right? Okay. Okay. So, despite its very small size, right, it comes in very good package, like it is having LED display of 25 LED segments. There are two buttons. There is a motion sensor, temperature sensor, Bluetooth connectivity. So just like the past activity which I showed you, that was connectivity of Bluetooth. Don't worry, I will tell you how to connect Bluetooth also if you will get time today. Fine. Okay. Okay, all right. So what makes Microbit special for educators? That is, they can make their students learn quickly, right? Turn their ideas into a working project, or if they're having something in their mind related to electronics, they can just check over here that whether it is working or not. And programming is very easy over here, right? So these features are actually getting aligned also with science, mathematics, computer science, and art. Okay. So just a second. Okay. This is the front and the back part of Microbit. The most of the explanation is given over here. Okay, so this is over here is touch logo. The buttons are given here, right? Notches are given here, which I have used in the PCB to connect it, right? Accelerometer is there, display is there, the antenna, microphone, processor, sound, okay? The power connector is also given there. The USB port is also given there to connect, and power LED is also provided for just showing that whether the power is connected or not. Fine. Yeah. Anybody is having any question, or you want any kind of, any kind of interaction on what is Microbit, or might be I have missed something, you can just write it over here. Okay. So it's a very simple one. What is that? Coding is just drag and drop the blocks, right? And upload the code via USB, obviously. Test the project virtually. So I would be really wanting you guys to open Make Code Microbit. I'm just writing in the chat bot. Sorry, chat box. Just give me 1 minute. I am sharing you the link. Or you can simply write Make Code Microbit. Just copy this, just copy this and paste it. It will be easy. Okay. Everybody, please open Make Code. We are going to do first activity. Okay. Make Code Microbit. I will just share the link as well. I'll just take the question in a minute. Okay. Let me share the link first. Okay. Yes. Make Code Microbit. Yeah, you can paste it. Yes, yes, you can paste it. which microprocessor is there inside? Well, you can search for it also. I think it is Cortex MO processor. You can search for it, okay? Okay, I'm going to share my entire screen. I'll tell you what to do, okay? Just a second. I'm sharing my entire screen. Just give me 1 minute, please. There you are. Can you see my screen? Okay. This is, I'm just signing in using Google. If you have the ID, then it will help you to save your projects, okay? So here is the microbit and the project in my hand. I'm just taking out the microbit from here so that I can show you the activities, okay? Few activities which doesn't need that PCP or the connector, okay? Few activities, I'll show it over here. Okay, so let's start with a simple one. First, let me start with a very simple project. I'm just giving the name of my activity, start simple activity, okay? So I have created it. It's a very normal activity just to understand it, okay? First, let me explain this open source platform. This is the Microbit. This is the virtual simulation, which will be live once the coding will be done. It will, because it is connected to the cloud, it will show you the output then and there, okay? These are some basics of coding, like showing the LED, clearing the screen, giving the command of what it will do on start, forever, giving a delay over here, okay? These are some inputs, like what you want to do, okay? The inputs here, some more also you can get over here, like you can enable the compass and everything. Here it is connected to the music also. If you want to play a music or you know the melodies, I don't know, but if somebody knows, they can do the coding. If you are working with the LEDs, yeah, it will work over here, okay? Radio, the loops are here. If you want to go for the loops, the logics are here, and we will be using these logics. You can create your own variable as well, okay? Math is here, and we will use extension also. I'll tell you how to use extension as well, okay? Please accept the request. Ma'am, please add them. Okay, just give me 1 minute. As you can see over here, I don't have any invitee over here. Everybody is attendee. So I don't know. Nobody is waiting in the lobby. If somebody is waiting in the lobby, then definitely I'll add them, okay? Um, Yatish ji, please check on your part, okay? All right. I don't know, it is not showing here. See, you can see everybody is coming under attendee. So there is nobody over here. If somebody has registered, they will get join over here automatically. I don't have to add them individually. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. So here I'm going to show you a very simple activity first, how to create it. Let's say, for example, on the start, I'm just showing one LED over here, like this, okay? It is starting, okay? Then what I want is, I want in forever, it will show this, and then it will take a pause, or it will just show a string, okay? Take a pause over here. And then you can add your own string by duplicating it. I am Neha. Okay. So as you can see, it is showing you on live over here. It will be saying hello, and then it will take a pause, and then it will show you I am Neha. Okay. Now how to connect it? As you can see in my hand, there is a connector, a simple USB, and there's a microbit. If you can see, let me know. I hope it is visible. This is a microbit over here. Okay. And this is the USB cable. Okay. All right. Yes, definitely you can customize it. I'm just connecting the USB. Okay. Please check now and add. Okay, sure. I'll just check it. No, I don't have any invitee over here. Okay, let's go back. So now I'm going to show you the same on Microbit, and let me show the proper camera. Okay, it's fine now. Okay, so it's very simple. You just have to connect this with USB. This is connected. As you can see the power light over here for sure. It will be showing you as a USB connected. This is the power over here. Right now it is showing this code, which was the previous one, right? Okay, which I showed you already. Here it is. I will just have to connect it. It is already connected. You can, if you want, I will show you by disconnecting it as well. And let's connect the device. It will go next. It's reconnecting it and pair it. There you are, connected. Failed to connect. Okay, let me try again. Why it is showing me this? Just a second. Okay, let me disconnect and the USB and do it again. Is my microbit visible? Let me know. Okay, it's visible. So there you are. It is connected now. I'll just download it so that I can show you it's downloading. Let me share so that it will be okay. Yeah. You can see the blinking of yellow light, I'm sure. It shows that it's the processing of downloading is happening. Okay. Once the downloading is done, it will show you the same thing here. See. I hope it is visible. Huh. Might be it is coming as a mirror image. Is it clear to everyone? A thumbs up will work. Neha Tiwari ji, yes, you want to ask anything? Somebody is having any question, you can definitely ask a question. And I will really want a screenshot of your output if you are doing with me. In the chat box, please go there. Yatish ji, I'm okay, all right. Just a second. Ma'am, they are trying to join in the meeting. As you have already seen, I have tried. I don't have any invitee link or invitee over here. If you can, you can just send me their IDs, or please ask them to register. If they haven't registered, they can't join. Okay, somebody has sent me. Okay, great. All right. So what you have done is, just a second. Okay. Nice. So you have shown a string, then show icon, and then show LED. That is a nice, cool one. Okay. All right. Okay. What else we can do? Don't worry. Just hold it. I'm going to show you. Okay. All right. They have registered yesterday. I'm sure. Please ask them whether they got the link to join or not. And if they are joining with the link, I'm sending you the link as well. Just a second. In the chat box, you can just send this link so that they can join. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Many of you have done this. Okay. Somebody is there in the lobby. Okay. Admit all. Okay. So let's do some more activities now. Okay. Let's do some more activities now. Okay. This was a very simple one. Let's do a clap activity kind of thing. Okay. I'll show you. This I have already done. So I'll show the code directly because the code is very easy. What I have done is from the input I have taken on quiet, it will show this icon, and on loud sound, it will show this icon. Fine. From this input, you can get these. See, on loud, and if you'll click on this, it will go for quiet as well. Okay. So let's download this activity. If you want, you can show it over here as well. Okay. Let's say it is going louder. It will show like this. If it is going quiet, like this. Okay. I'm going to download it and then I'll show you live over here. Okay. Okay, Yatishji, I think I have admitted all the participants. Okay, all right. How to connect to original microbit? That is what I'm showing, Nidhi. This is the original microbit in my hand, right? You just have to take this connector, this wire of USB, and just connect it. Then go to Make Code Microbit, and the option where download is coming, you just have to click download. That's it. Fine. Okay. Now see if I'm going for see what it is happening over here because the sound is coming. Okay. So this was the code over here. See if it is changing or not. See, it is changing, right? And then it is coming back. Fine. Did you try it on your own? Anybody who has tried on their own, please check. This was the second activity I told you. Camera is lagging. Okay. Is it showing it now? Okay, all right. Okay. See. So whenever it is getting any sound or the louder sound, the heart is showing, otherwise it is going quiet. If I'm speaking, see the heart, right? Otherwise, if I'll just stop, if I'll speak, see, fine. So these are very small, tiny activities which you can show to the students and ask them what they want to do. Such a simple sound activity, right? Okay, it's working, Aviral. Okay, great. So the next activity I'm going to make is temperature. Okay, before that, let's do counter so that I can tell you the concept of accelerometer, and then we'll go for temperature because I have to add it to into the PCB. Okay. So this is just a simple, but you need to understand because I have added a variable over here. What I have done is I have taken one variable. I have created a variable over here. Once you will create a variable, relatable code will come here, like setting the variable and changing the variable. Likewise, we do in Scratch. Okay. What I have done is on start, it will just take the variable and it will set it to 0. And whenever the device will get shaken, it will change the number by 1 and it will show the number on the display as well. Okay. Let's see. See. Come on. 1. Let's download this and see it live. Okay, I'm downloading it again. There, can you see my device, please, everyone? Tell me. Just a thumbs up will work for me. Can you see it? So if I'm shaking it, it's showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is how the accelerometer work. Okay. And what you can do is, let's say, for example, if a person is having this device and wants to say that after 50 step, it will give you a sound as well. Great, well done, or something like that. Fine. So that kind of thing also you can add. Or let's say, for example, somebody wants a break kind of thing. So once it will reach to step number 50, it will give a beep sound or something like that. Please do all the creativity on your own. Okay. I've told you the basics now. Blood pressure. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Recent join, not understand. Kiranji, I was telling about the microbit, and right now we are doing some activities. Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you now the night lamp. Okay. And for that, I need this. This is, I'm having a RGB, the NeoPixel RGB that I will connect it over here and I'll show you. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Let me go back and let me tell you how to do it as well. Okay. So this is the activity. First, let me show you and then I'll show you the code. So how to add the extension that I'll show you with the new activity. This is how I have done. I have set the strip over here. Then the light levels I have turned, like if the light level is going beyond 100, like greater than 100, sorry, greater than 100, then the color will be showing yellow. Otherwise it will be showing purple. Okay. So we can just download it and see also. And I can tell you how to write the code as well. So this is our GB activity. I'll just create it. So on start, how to create, first of all, you just have to go to extension because you have to add the NeoPixel. Fine. Okay, Rahul, I have accepted all of them who were present in lobby. Right now, nobody is showing in my lobby. Okay. All right. Fine. So, yeah. So this is how to add the extension. I have added the extension. Now I'm just setting the strip on start here, and under forever, I'm not going to take forever. I'll just delete it. I'll just take the logic over here, the if else logic. Fine, here. And that I have to take under forever. Sorry. Just a second. Because the condition will be checked then. And under this, what I have to take is I'll take the another logic of comparison. There you are. And I'll take the greater than sign. In this, I'll just write 100. And that is the light intensity. And from input, I will get the light intensity. There you are. Okay, light level. This. Though, so I've written that if the light level is greater than 100, then in that case, the new pixel LED, the strip will show red color, let's say, and I'll just duplicate it and I'll keep it yellow if the condition is not fulfilling. Fine. Okay. So there you are. This is the light intensity. If you want to see, here is the LED it is showing. This is the light intensity. If it will go, see the yellow and red color. Can you see it? There you are. See if the light intensity, yellow and red. Now we will experience it here. I'll just download it and then I have to connect it. Okay. This is getting downloaded and it is connected. Great. So now I will take this microbit out from here and I will connect it in this. I'm not going to change the Lego and everything. I'm just taking this microbit. I'm just hooking it over here so that the LEDs would be facing. There it is. It is connected. Now here are the pins where already servo motor is connected. So I will just detach the servo motor and attach, because in the code I have taken strip will be connected on P0. So I'll just detach the servo motor on P0 and attach the this RGB. Now this is really very important whenever you will do this. See the black thin wire which is showing, it is always ground. So please be attentive towards it, that the ground should be connected to ground pin only. Okay. New pixel light you will get from the extension. From the extension, you will get new pixel light. Okay. Now this is the RGB. I have connected. Now I'll start it. There you are. Can you see the light? See, I'm just, the light intensity I'm just changing by just keeping my hand on microbit. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just turn on the flashlight over here and see it is changing. See. Everybody, can you see it? Just a thumbs up will work for me. Please re-explain the code. Yeah, sure. I'll re-explain the code. So what I have done is from extension, I have taken NeoPixel from where I have get the codes of strips. This is the set strip. You will get it from there only. Let me show you there. Okay. So it is already connected with P0. You can connect from any pin which is given in your PCB. On start, it is connecting the NeoPixel LED. And then under the forever, I have taken one condition of if and else. So if the logic is working, then in that case, a strip will be showing the color red. If the logic is not working, then the strip will be showing color yellow. Logic is that if the light intensity is greater than 100, then it will show red. And if light intensity is apart from this logic, then it will show yellow. So right now it is working on else condition. Okay. And if you will go for the condition, then it will turn into red. I think Yatish ji, the code is explained. Did you understood? Okay, Avral has also done the activity. From where we can take if else. Okay, you can take the if else under logic over here. See. And you can add it as well. If you have taken if else, you can add the else condition here as well. Okay, you can minus also and you can plus also. It's very easy. If you want to minus any activity, any logic, you can do that as well. Okay, fine. Hardware light you have to purchase, right? Obviously, these are some hardware which I got from my company. So I'm showing you. Obviously, you have to purchase that. Okay, I'm keeping this aside. I'm just turning it off. One more activity I will show you, but after a few minutes. Okay. What is it called? It is called RGB strip with NeoPixel LEDs. Again, I'm telling you, Sulakshi, it is RGB strip NeoPixel LED. Fine. Okay. I'm just gonna present again with the PPT. And yeah. So this activity we have already done, the activity of smart lamp, right? Red, green, blue. Yes, RGB means red, green, blue. So anybody here can relate me to this activity which I showed you, as I have already presented on in my PPT. I would wanted to ask the question. The students or anybody can use this as a night lamp. So whenever the darkness is coming, then what is happening? The light is turning on. That also you can do. You can turn off the light also and you can turn on the light also. Okay. Right now, though, I'm just changing the colors. Sensor light also, you can do that. Okay. Okay. All right. So these activities I have told you step counter as well. So counter I showed you to integrate mathematics, right? The night lamp is used for the very useful thing it is for night lamp. We all use whenever we are doing some study in night or something, right? So these, what Microbit is doing right now, it is covering all your 21st century skills. It will make sure that you are thinking creatively, right? Then you are building your logics. You are making sure that whatever is you are building, it is getting used by the society, right? It is a problem solving material. It's you have to keep your mindset, innovative mindset to create such activities. And one more thing, please make sure that your students are doing such activities in team, so that they can learn about the team collaboration as well. Okay, these some interactive sessions can help you as an educator with your students to prepare them for the coding challenges, the competitions, if there is any kind of task, if you want to give inter school, right? Or it can work for the, it can give you instant feedback of the student as well, what they have learned. And so, right, you can just take a live session with your students to interact, to tell them about it, and then you can take a test also, right? It's a good thing. Also, it is getting aligned with NEP 2020 with all the skills. One last activity I would really want to show you. Uh, are you guys already tired, or shall I show you the activity? Yes, Vinotini ji, yes. There are many special features in Microbit rather than Arduino. Arduino doesn't have any music thing, right? It is not inbuilt. There is no accelerometer is in Arduino. There is no LED displays in Arduino, and speakers are not there. There are multiple things which Microbit, this tiny computer, can work. Yes, there are many features which Microbit is having with less efforts. Okay, my in this particular microcontroller, it will show you the output then and there. In Arduino, you can't see the output. You have to go and do the coding on the different platform, right? You can't see in any kind of simulator. Okay, all right. So I have one more activity, which is a temperature sensor. So now the thing is, I have checked it that it was working under 23. I don't know. I have to check it right now only, whether it is working or not, because I have set the code on. Okay, all right. Thank you for this response. Okay, great. The last activity I'm going to show you, let me share my screen again. I'm sharing my entire screen, okay, this time. And let's share. Okay. Again, if somebody, again and again, all people are showing. Okay. Let's go back. Here is a temperature control. And let me show you first. The green zigzag line you guys can see. This green zigzag line over here, right? This is basically for temperature. Okay. All right. So I have already created temperature control there. Very simple, very, very simple. Just you have to, you know, it's the same thing because I have used as an output, I have used the same RGB. So I have taken on start, set the strip. And what I have changed, instead of light level, I have changed the temperature. That's it. I haven't done anything, rocket science over here. It's very simple one, correct? We just have to connect it. Let me connect it over here. So there you are. Just download it. And I have taken red and blue. So right now it is showing red because the temperature I have taken is that if it is greater than 25, then it is red, otherwise it is blue. So I need something to cool it down, no? Okay. Can you please allow me just to take some ice in my hand? Huh? So there is something interesting going on in this webinar. Huh? Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so I have a plate with ice cube over here, and let's see if it is working. I have to make sure that this microbit is cooled down. Okay, for showing this RGB at in the blue condition. I think I have taken the temperature quite a low one. I don't know whether it is going to work or not. Just a second. I would have turned down the AC. Then only it would have worked. Otherwise, we can just increase the temperature of the code. That will also work. Let me try this as well. Well, it's not working because the temperature, because I tested in AC, so it was working. Okay, let me check the code now. If it is greater than, what, say 40, then in that case, it will be red. Otherwise, it will be blue. Okay. Okay. All right. So now I have to go something. Okay. See, it is showing blue over here. Showing blue over here. Now I have to make it a hotter one. Just a second. I think you understood this, right? I have not anything to make it because here the weather is also not, it's not showing sun very hot today. No, it's, I don't have anything as a fire or something to make it a little bit hotter. So right now you can see if I'm changing the temperature, it is changing the light as well. So we need to set the temperature in such manner so that it can take it, let's say 35. Okay, on 35 also it is showing blue. So it means that wherever I'm sitting, it's quite a temperature around 35 only, and it's not getting hotter. I'm just trying. On the green zigzag line, you have to just, if you have a lighter, you can just show, just keep it in front of it. It will show you the activity. Fine. Right now, the weather is not working for me. I'm just trying with this plate, whether it will work or not, but it's not working. The buttons are coming in between. Okay. All right. This was the last activity. Please do try. At least you can try it from, here only the make code. You can just check the temperature. If it is going higher than the 35 degree, then it is showing red light. Otherwise, it is showing blue light. Fine. Was working perfectly when the AC was turned on, but right now it is not working. This is something electronics. It can go out of hand anytime. Okay. Okay, so I hope you understood something related to Microbit. Please tell after activity how to connect mobile with Microbit. Mobile, I will ask, avoid it. Otherwise, you can just make code. Microbit is an open source platform. You can just open it in your mobile phone and then you can connect with the C type only. This USB is C type C. Okay, you can connect it. It will easily connect. But still, I will always always tell that do not use from mobile. Otherwise, mobiles catches the viruses very quickly. How to add temperature? Just a second. Let me take this query. How to add temperature over here? Okay. Go to input. Who is this? Pranjali, go to input. I'll show you just a second. Can you see my screen? Just give me 1 minute, please. And yes, questions are open to come. Can you see my screen? Yeah, I am open for the questions. You can ask your questions over here. If you can see my screen, you can see this is the input over here. And here from where I have taken light level, you can take temperature as well. Temperature in degree centigrade. Okay. Yeah. Any other question? Ma'am, if a microbit pin is programmed, then can this controller can be used as similar? Yes. Yes, definitely it can be used. Humanoid robot is something which I can't show you live. It has a, as you can see in a very simple project, we got stuck because of the temperature, right? Definitely we can have a webinar on humanoid as well, but it's a very huge topic and I have to go step by step. I was thinking about the activity which I showed you in the very first time. That was the ML activity, which was the gesture control, right? Gesture control activity. If you are interested, I can go for the next webinar. Please let me know if you are interested. With Bluetooth, yes, that webinar will be covering how to connect Bluetooth with Microbit, how to connect it with the platform, how to train any model, and the live working. Okay. Okay, sweetie ji. For more activities, sure. So in that webinar, I will cover the image processing, okay, and the voice processing as well. Voice command, which is known as voice command, Bluetooth connection, and image command, Bluetooth connection. Fine. Okay, all right. So I hope you enjoyed today's webinar. Before concluding it, I would really like to show again, just to show you about our STEM educator program. Okay, this is our certified STEM educator program. Many of you are already in the program. Many of you are very new in certified STEM educator program. Our key learning objective is to train the educators from different schools who are running their ATL labs or their robotics lab or STEM lab, so that they can build the competency. They can learn about how PBL works, like project based learning, what is design thinking, what is activity based learning. Okay, it is completely aligned with NEP. There are 5 modules: Scratch, MIT app development, and 3D design, robotics, and block-based Python. Okay, so these are few activities. These are few models which we have introduced in the certified STEM educator program. I will just share the link in my chat box. Just give me 1 minute. Thank you, Aarti ji. Thank you. It's showing true. I'm not able to change from the true. You just have to drag and drop it in the drop. When you will be dropping that temperature thing, it will show you the connecting dot. Then you have to drop it. Okay, just give me 1 more minute so that I can share the link of form and link of certificate as well. Okay. I hope many of you got the certificate. All of you have gotten the certificate. Let me tell you, because I got few messages as well. Let me tell you that this is really very important that your ID is registered to get the certificate, right? It's really very important. Please just know about it. This is in the message I have sent in the chat box. It is the link of form, which is for certified educator training program. If somebody is interested in this STEM educator program, you can just fill out the form. Our team will get connected with you. Okay. And I'm sharing the certificate link as well. Just give me 1 minute. Rajneesh Pandey, you can just connect me on my number. I'll check it, okay? And check the registered ID. A few of you were not known that how to get the certificate. So let me tell you. I'm just sharing it, and then I will explain it as well, that how you will get the certificate, okay? So this time your certificate will be applicable after first. Sorry, for not first. It will be, today is 30th, no? 5th of June. Okay. So yeah, please let me tell you that your login URL is already given. Okay. You just have to take in the username, you have to write your registered email ID, and the password is STEMrobo. Everyone will get the certificate. There is no chance that anyone will not get the certificate. It's just that your ID has to be registered. Okay. Ma'am, I have registered. How to get enrollment? Enrollment in what? You're connected with through school. That is completely fine. Okay. All right. I hope that today's session has given you a different perspective of understanding a different kind of microcontroller today. Okay, and definitely if you guys are interested, you can just write yes in the chat box, so I will make sure that in the second in the upcoming webinar I will show you the Microbit AIML project. Okay, I need some yes over here so that I can tell the team to prepare for that. Okay, all right. I'm glad that you guys have joined today, and I was able to tell you few enlightening things about Microbit. I hope that you will be after will try some of the projects. Please do try some of the projects so that you can understand that what else we can do over here. I've told you around 5 to 6 activities today. Make sure that you are just adding some more things to that activities. Okay. Ma'am, password is STEM Robo. Yes, password is STEM Robo in small caps. Okay. How to register the ID? The ID will be registered on the link which has been promoted in your school or through our social media channel. Okay. Ma'am, I had filled the form. After that, some team member will get connected with you to tell you all about the certified educator program. Don't worry about it. Okay. Okay, all right. When I can get the certificate, as I told you, after 5th of June, please do try. Do not try right now, okay? It takes time. It takes, because today is Saturday, tomorrow is holiday. So in the working days, it will take 2 to 3 days. That is why I have given you the time till 5th of June. After 5th of June, you can try from the same link with the registered ID as a username and password as a STEM robo in small caps. Okay? All right. Registered email, Bhumika ji, is your registered email ID from where you have gotten this link for today's webinar. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend and good evening. Good night. Bye. Take care. We'll meet in the next webinar, probably by the mid of the month. Okay. All right. Our next webinar will be 20th of June. Okay. All right. Okay. Shall we get the coding of these activities? I'm very sorry, I can't share the coding, but yes, you can say, after 2 days, the whole webinar will get live on YouTube. So you can just check it over here, over there. Okay. Password for what? Password for the certificate. It is already mentioned, STEM Robo in small letters. Okay, Rituji, thank you for confirmation. You have got the certificate. Great. All right. You're not able to log in because login we haven't started yet. The webinar is right now going on. So after 5th June, please log in. Okay. Great. Okay. I'm just writing the password STEMROBO in small letter. It is just STEM Robo as a password. Okay. ID is email. Yes. ID is your registered email. Okay. All right. If you have joined joined from the link which you have gotten from your friend or something, then we can't do anything about it because you have to register first. This is clearly told. You have to register first and then you have to join. That is why few of you have joined late because you haven't registered. Okay. Live from which ID, ma'am? Username, please. Username is your registered ID. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Let's meet in our next webinar with Microbit again. And then after, we'll discuss what next topic you guys want. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.